Here we are, in the video. Hi guys, this is Tougher Plays. Oh, so all that descenders training is going to pay off, is it? Should we go and register them?
Yeah.
If we're all ready?
Okay.
See, like, I'm chill now, right?
Yeah.
When I watch this back, the audio will just be sick. Yeah, sure. That was good. Oh, we should stay for a bit. It's quite nice, isn't it?
Cool.
Should I press on or?
I'm good.
Right, straight into escort, yeah? Oh mate, let's do roller disco. You gotta be fucking careful on this trail because it's really easy to nosedive. It's got some big like pump things. I'm gonna stiffen up my suspension actually. There we go. Oh, look at that view. I can't spend too long looking at it because I'll end up in it, but ooh. Bushwhacker?
Yeah. You won't be able to roll.
Is Tom with us? Oh yeah, cool.
Yep.
Sick.
No, the pedal's lying straight where it's threaded.
Oh my god, are you Tupper from Off the Hook? We were thinking of doing Sixtapod and Merthyr Rocks.
Merthyr Rocks, yeah.
Is locomotion on Sixtapod? I thought it was on
We need to be doing
Terry's
reds.
belly.
We
Yeah.
need to be doing reds. Come on.
Locomotion.
Check my pockets. Alright. There was a stopped group that I thought was you guys. So I stopped and I was like, wait a second. We got a photo.
That was sick. Those drops are epic.
They were big, bro.
That was well good.
How did you find them on me?
I definitely felt that in my arms.
Did you
Whew.
do the red one? I did.
I'm in like the wrong gear. Huh?
Slightly.
Oh shit.
That was so good.
Almost lost it on a route, but yeah.
Yeah, there's definitely some sniper routes on the way. I remember the last time I did that, it was not pretty at all, but that was like pretty.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's just taking a shortcut. Alright, Dom's doing half cut.
Oh, well, everyone's having a look, so. I can't see any more of the trail when I'm standing here. You don't fancy it, Johnny?
Oh, no.
Come on, mate, let's go.
Slowly, I wouldn't mind. Do you
I'd like go down this bit.
Just roll that. You have to pop that.
I reckon they put that log there because people are just going past the qualifier.
You're going too far.
Yeah.
Like if you've got any speed.
Yeah, you don't want to.
I don't like drops, which is definitely holding me back. Although I went for those jumps just then. I did land with both tyres.
Nice.
So I think the memory is coming back. Do you think about it? Like, do you pull up on your bars?
I think the less you think about it, the better.
Oh! It's on camera, Tom, as well. It's on camera, Tom, as well. I don't want to do it. I don't want to do it now.
Come up here and have a seat for a bit.
I'll get your bike. Don't need to get mine. Got it.
God damn, I'm shocked.
Do you want me to take it?
Yeah, cheers, mate.
That looks like a nasty landing.
Landing there being very loose. Oh mate, you've ripped your... it looked pretty rough, yeah. Oh mate. Do you want some water on it?
Yeah, if you got that.
Yeah.
What happened? You just landed a bit awkwardly.
Yeah, I stood on it, don't I?
There you go. I don't mind if you use it all. Guys, remember to like the video for Tom.
If you come off.
Yeah.
Oh, mate, it was a proper good fall as well. That was a Josh Cooper fall where he like somersaulted off the bike at 1 mile an hour.
Did you bang your chin or was it?
No.
Oh, that's good.
Did
my
they-
hands and my elbows.
So your helmets might be alright then.
Yeah.
I'm glad I'm wearing elbow pads now.
Yeah, I've never
worn them before.
I've not fallen off since having these on.
I'll go first because I don't like reds very much, so I'll be the pace car. I think I'm in the wrong gear because I was like accelerating that to suddenly brake. So Dom, do you like Because I usually just like pop up. Do you like really like try and go into a manual, like pull your whole body weight backwards?
Basically just do this.
Yeah, that's what I do, but I feel like that's wrong. But because you watch the videos, they're like, first things first, step one, you gotta shift your back. I was like, fuck,
I've realised that videos, I can't watch videos anymore. I'm just gonna try different things and see what works. And I basically do this and kind of let the bike fall forwards a bit.
Yeah, okay. That's what I've been doing, so okay, as long as that's... Mate, I'm really scared now.
Oh no!
Tom, fuck's sake!
Should we do Kermit?
Let's just do Kermit. Rest of the weekend. Mate, I got scared. It's fine. Ollie's phoning me. Yeah, Ollie just started phoning me when I got to the edge, but I couldn't stop. I'm just not going to answer. He'll figure it out. Here we go then. Whoa! Bigger. And again. We'll get in the air again. Yeah, Popty Ping's like a blue-red. I don't know why, it's not a red. You ready? We're in Popty Ping, I thought. Well, no, this joins onto Terry's belly. Why does he get some sick jumps? Oh, it's so scary. Oh yeah, this way. Wow. All right.
How's that, Tom?
Did you do Popty Ping?
Yeah. Yeah, I will keep looking at my shoulders. If you like want to stop, I'll notice. Ready? Sick. Into Terry. That's where Ollie had his crash. Happy to keep going? Huh? Okay.
Yeah.
Ready for a shreddy. Whew. Fuck you. Look at that view. Beautiful. Oh, it's so hot as well. Definitely feels less overgrown than it was last time. Just look at all that grass they've cut back. Should we go and get some sick photos then?
Right, what is it, Wibbly Wobbly, yeah?
Yeah, should we
Think
do
so.
Wibbly Wobbly and then Rimdinger?
Is it Pandora into Wibbly Wobbly?
No, Pandora's over there. No, it's Wibbly Wobbly and then into Rimdinger. Has anyone done Wibbly Wobbly? I've never done Wibbly Wobbly before.
No, I don't think I have.
Johnny, have you done Wibbly Wobbly?
Oh, I've never
You doing Wibbly Wobbly?
I'll do Wibbly Wobbly.
I'll do a blue with Tom.
Alright. Is there a blue that meets up with Wibbly Wobbly? I think Wibbly Wobbly and Rimdinger are basically just down to the visitor centre with nothing. Does it, Johnny? Does Rimdinger end up alongside a blue?
I'm not sure.
We'll just meet by the visitor centre. It's probably easiest.
Or the uplift.
They both come out by the visitor centre.
Okay.
I want to get some water after this one anyway. If you would be happy with that. Sick, where'd he go? Is he already up there? I might have a look at the qualifier for Wibbly Wobbly. You know, Wibbly Wobbly is just like a little, like, almost like a rolling drop, really. It's tiny, it doesn't look like that much. Can I see?
Yeah.
Oh, hang on, they're coming up.
Easy.
They're coming up.
Fine.
Oh, it's fine, yeah, it's nothing. They just look horrible because you can't see them. Can't see anything. Well, there's people coming up.
Coming down Wibbly Wobbly. I think they're going.
They're doing a blue.
Are they?
There's people coming up. Yeah, but there's people coming up.
Where?
They were coming up Wibbly Wobbly. They're not anymore.
Let's go.
I'm pointing the wrong direction. Yeah. Whoop. Right. My arms. Mate, the only drop I fucked up was the one with the camera. I was like, oh, it's the camera.
I didn't look at him at all because I was just too focused on what I was doing. I was just like, nah, you can go do one, mate.
I was like, there's the camera. Oh, there's a drop.
Well, nice.
Mate, there's no
Yeah, I know.
You're doing well good.
I just feel like I'm not doing it right.
Mate, if you're still alive and you're upright, let's go.
Yeah.
Yeah, smashing it. That's well good. That was sick.
No one saw that. Oh my god! I've crashed into a tree. Yeah, I know. Oh my god, my arms are fucking rest.
Yeah, I imagine. So is it rimding up here?
It's only like one trail nearby, so I'm guessing that must be it.
Oh, that's so good.
Mate, this looks quite dodgy. Oh, fine. Oh, my arms again. Man, not that one. Ooh. Oh, I hate rocks. Oh, my arms are in so much pain. Oh, I'm in so much pain. Mate, my arms. Oh.
I had a Commercell my first cruise sus.
Mate, that was rough. Whew.
What was it? Melted Welly?
Yeah, Melted Welly, then off peak, not off route, whatever it is, yeah, off grid, and then Fforest Bump.
Yeah, that was it, wasn't it?
Yeah. Will you want to just go straight in?
May as well.
Yeah, unless there's a queue, we'll just hang back. Ah, straight in, mate. One seat down, here we go. Mate, he's so fast. Little pump. Get some speed pumped out of these. Yeah. Off route, here we go. Not off route, off grid. Oh mate, this techie trail is hurting my hands. Through the needle. Oh, a little rock roll. I think that's the end. Ready? Oh, I'm in the wrong gear. Yes, now. Oh, feeling this in my thighs. You go first, go on. Catch you crashing on camera. I'll give you a couple of seconds. Let's go. So I always nearly nosedive over everything and my back wheel leaves the ground. So try not to do that. Get a big OTB over the bars. Got to really push your bike away from you, which I'm not very good at doing. I love it, it's like a little roller coaster. Big views coming up. In the video, not on the video. Second channel video, don't be ridiculous. Whoa, so much speed! I think it will look really slow on camera, I bet. Always does, annoyingly. I think my brakes are heating up.
It's like a squeaking behind, like, oh god, speed up.
Here we go. Boom, 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 boom. Ah. I'm okay. Oh. Cheers, mate. Whew. Got a bit carried away there.
Yeah.
I was like, right, I'm in my element now. Look at my fucking handlebars. I'm gonna go to that bit.
Yeah, you might not be going down like
that. Oh, on the blue as well. Did you see me?
No.
Oh mate, it was such good. So much danger has just taken place. I had to one up Tom, you know.
Oh, definitely.
Can't be having him have the biggest crash.
Yeah.
Do it. I will go somewhat tentatively.
Yeah, good idea.
In completely the wrong gear to get going. So nice and steady. Only got 12 hours left of my SD card. Oh mate, it's open. Let's see if the photographer's still there. Just go straight on, let's go. Let's not waste any time. I've got a sinking feeling that it was closed because the photographer was moving out, but oh, little jump. A little jump. Nah, fucked it up. Jump. Jump. Mate, my legs are flagging. Mate, my legs are flagging. Oh, whew.
I am definitely.
Oh.
Let's do Merthyr.
Let's do Merthyr Rocks. Shall I go first? This is where having a 29er helps a little bit because you can just roll everything. I immediately regret this decision. Little drop. Oh, missed that drop. Oh. Oh, here's the fun bit. Oh. Oh, so much pain. Oh, everything hurts. Oh, final rock garden. Oh, so horrible. Oh, and we're out. The power of the 29er right there. Just bulldoze over everything. Wasn't without a lot of pain and suffering though.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh.